Hi there! We're going to look at creating variable groups in Nesstar Publisher. We do this to make the variables easier to search through for the user. Some data sets have hundreds of variables. That's a lot to scroll through, but when they are grouped into categories, the user can more easily find a specific variable or subject area that they might be looking for. There are several common groups you're going to see, like administration, weight, and demographics, and you'll find these in most surveys. When grouping variables, refer to previous years if they are available in the series, as consistency between surveys make it more user-friendly. Also, sometimes the user guide will have their variables grouped in a certain way, so that's also an option that you can refer to. Note that variables can be in more than one group. If you can't decide or you think they fit in more than one group, put it in both. To start creating variable groups, open up your data set. So I'm going to go into Nesstar Publisher, and I'm using the Canadian Internet Use Survey 2012 person file just because it's one of the most recent data sets that I've worked on. So click on Variable Groups here along the bottom in the left-hand side. If you click on Variable Groups and then the plus sign, you can add a category. So let's title this one Education. So now let's go into Demographics, and you can see here along the right-hand side this blue plus sign is available to us. So click on that, and that opens up our Select Variables menu. So now you're going to choose the variables that you want to add to this category. So let's choose Province, and by hitting Control, you can add more variables. So once you've selected your desired variables, click on OK. And now you can see that the variables have been added in this screen here to this particular category. If you've added one by accident that you don't want in this category, simply highlight it and click on the minus sign, and that removes it from the category. You can also change the order by highlighting a variable and clicking the up arrow or the down arrow. You can do the same sort of concept with your particular categories over here. So if you want them in alphabetical order, let's click on Current User, and we can move this up using the arrow, or if you wanted it back down, you can put it down there. When a variable is added to a group, a green dot will appear beside it in the Select Variables menu. So I'll show you this by going back into this blue plus sign along the right-hand side, and you can see that the variables we've added to demographics have this green plus sign next to it. Check this when you're done to ensure all variables have been added to a group. So that's all for this tutorial. This was created by the Carleton University Data Center. Thanks for watching!